This is a tutorial for cleaning your recorder. Ask an adult for help getting running water and dish soap. To clean your recorder, first you're going to need to find a place where you are allowed to fill with 1 to 2 inches of soapy water. Please take your recorder apart and place it in the water. Let your recorder soak for 5 minutes. After your recorder has soaked for 5 minutes, take a washcloth or sponge and rigorously scrub your recorder. Don't forget to get the mouthpiece. After you rigorously scrub your recorder, rinse off each piece with clean water until all the soap is gone and place the piece on a clean paper towel or in a dish rack. Once all of the soap is rinsed out of your recorder, shake any excess water out of the center and then dry the outside with a clean, dry cloth. Do not play your recorder if it is wet. It will only be harder to play. That's it. Your recorder will be clean if you follow these instructions. Now, return your recorder to the place that you will keep it every day.